Umasipala wedolobha iGoli uqhubeleke ezona umkhankaso wawo obizwa nge-Operation Restore okuhloswe ngawo ukulungiswa kwemigwaqo emoshekile endaweni. Yize-ke kunjalo le mzama emukelekanga ngezandla ezimhlophe njengoba ikhansela la Ward 51 ubheka ukwenza Mngadi ethi-ke le migwaqo senesikhathi eside abika ngayo kepha kube enhlangazimuka nomoya nokumenza kebe nongabazane lokuthi imigwaqo emoshekile izolungiswa yonke. Ubeke esenxusa ukuthi lo masipala ulungise ingqalasizinda evele ikhona uyilungise imihla yonke.
Thina asenawo ama-potholes, sesinama-swimming pool.
Iphulo lesixeko saseGoli Operation Lungisa lingene kwindawo yaseZola ukulungisa indlela. Eliphulo ligxile ekulungiseni imingxunya ezindleleni kuquka nokucacisa kwakhona imibhalo esele icimekile ezindleleni. Kodwa eliphulo khange lwamkelwe ngezandla ezishushu kwaphela kulangingqi.
I'm not happy because I don't know how long is it going to take for them to cover the whole area. Izola 1 is too big. When you go to Zwelicha Street, Izola 1, you look at the street. That street needs road resurfacing. When you go to Zola North, Mdlalose Street, next to Injebo Primary School, that street, Mdlalose Street, need road resurfacing. When you go to Kwatabete shop, Tulasizwe Street, that Tulasizwe Street need road resurfacing. When you go to Zola 2, Matidla Street, Zola 2, that street need road resurfacing. Quite a lot of street need road resurfacing. No longer even need deep pothole patching. As a result, I'm not happy at all because I wonder if EGRA will cover the whole area as per the queries that we have, that we submitted since 2022 on the 3rd week of April 2022.
Embindini wokungoneliseki yinkqubo yeliphulo esinye kwizikhalazo sesokuba liyasilela ukugcina iziseko esele zikhona zikwimo entle.
Some of the streets do have in stormwater drainage or ama-KIs, but those few that are there are not properly maintained. When we are referring to maintenance, we are referring to clean them. You find a concrete that is on the surface of stormwater or KI, you remove it, you open it, and then you clean it. When you clean it, there is water. Whenever it's raining, there is a soil that is getting into it. Some people, whenever they are cleaning their yard, they will even take some of the waste, you see, to that KI. So on daily basis, they supposed to come and clean it.
Emva kokuba abahlali besithi balinde ixesha elide ukulungiselwa indlela de baphela bezilungisela ngokwabo ezinye. Elinyathelo balibona njengelo lokuloba ivoti kubo xa sele kuvotwa kunyulo lomasipala.
Siyabona umsebenzi abawenzayo but inkinga sikhala ngama-pothole. Uma ungangena ngaphakathi itrata imigodi miningi. Sese siyazenzela sithenga amasimende. Uma ungangale ngaseRoma uzobona sisifakele thina savala ipothole engakanani umgodi. So sicela ukulungiselwa because of kuza ama-election siyazi but bangasirobhi ngepende kuphela.
Langingqi ithi langazelela ukuba eliphulo linike ingqwalasela kuzo zonke indlela ezidinga ukulungiswa kulandawo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eZola.